Okay, so let's talk about associations and how we build our groups here. So every insurance plan has a group, meaning let's say I work at Lockheed Martin or Bell Helicopter. The group is all of the people that are using the insurance at Lockheed Martin or Bell Helicopter. In the ACA, the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, all the same thing. That group is, well, all of the American people. I don't know if you've ever met an American, but they don't take very good care of themselves. And the older and sicker that group is, the higher the payments. Also, insurance companies, they don't like liability. They hate it. The insurance companies are always going to be the winners in this. And because they don't like liability, they want the group to pay if something bad happens. So the smaller the group, the more expensive the price. So let's say I'm a plumber and I only have 3 employees, me, my wife, and my main guy. So that means that I have a group of 3 people. So for each family, you're looking at $2,200, $2,500, and the older they are and the sicker they are, the more it's going to cost you. But here, what we like to do is we use an association to build a group. So that is the American Independent Business Coalition. Basically, there's about 1.7 million people currently at this moment within that association. Meaning I have a group of about 1.7 million people strong. So by moving a small business owner who has 20 employees, just himself, over to a group of 1.7 million people, and that group of people is so healthy that 93% of them never use more than $5,000 a year in coverage. By moving them over there, we're able to drastically reduce the prices, make sure that we get a major PPO network. Typically it's going to be United, occasionally it's going to be Cigna, and when we do that, it helps us take care of our clients, and that is how we build a group of 1.7 million people. We use this association.